Are you my handsome? Are you the booty guru? Calypso? Can't I see your eyes? There they are. Calypso. Hi, cute boy. What are you doing? Peony? Hi, Tina. Hey. Athena. Baby mommy? Hello. Everyone on the boat. Chubby-doo. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening my Ipsy bag for this month. Also, if you cannot see these, my boyfriend tattooed these cute little things on me the other day, and then this cute little thing on me. Isn't it so cute? So they're about a week old now today, and they're healing super well. My fingers, they like hurt for like 2 days. So like 3 days after getting them done, they hurt for like 2 days. I think they're just angry because that spot's interesting. But I'm gonna fill them in with color. Aren't they so cute and little? You know, like, and I've wanted this for so long, this little rose. So I'm like super stoked about it. But yeah, so those are my new tattoos. I have another one started, but it's not finished. So when it's finished, I'm actually filming a video of it being done with him tattooing me and everything. So I will post that in a couple weeks because I gotta wait for it to heal and all that good stuff and, you know, all that craziness. So yeah, so that will be up eventually. I'm really excited about it, and I hope you guys will enjoy that video when it comes out. But anyways, let's get back to what we're actually doing today. So, I have to open this little package. It has eyelashes on it. That is so cute. Okay. Let's open this thing up. Who is going to stop me? Okay, so this is Matic Bronzer by Dosi? I have no idea, but this is a bronzer, so it's called Sunbeam, and look at how cute it is. And then, oh, that opens up cool. Alright, let's get a swatch of this. This is a good bronzer for my skin tone. You see it? Dolce, maybe? Maybe it's Dolce? I don't know what this is called. All I know is it's a cute color for my skin tone. And then the cream shop, not studio. This is a daily cleanser and makeup remover. Green tea and white lily with rice water. And it's a brightener, which I love brightening stuff. It is like the best stuff ever. So that's this. Let's smell it. Oh, and it's also sealed. And I have a really hard time taking these off. Whoa. It smells weird and it's exploding. Woo. Like super exploding. Okay, well that's that. Guys, I got a brush. This is a Luxie 140 detail tapered blender. This is a Wonder Woman brush. I was wondering why it wasn't pink. Do you see the Wonder Woman symbol right in here? I don't know if you guys can see that, but I am so about this. I love Luxie brushes. I use a lot of them actually. I've gotten them in my Ipsys and my BoxyCharms, so I've actually never like purchased one. Look at that top part too. But I was like, oh, this isn't pink. They're always pink, like always pink. And then Wonder Woman. I love Wonder Woman. So I'm about this brush. I'm super excited about it. Yay, it's so cute. Brushes are my favorite. And on top of it, it's a Wonder Woman brush. Double fave. Okay, this is called Thank Me Later Face Primer. It's a mattifying face primer. So I will have to do a full look for you guys. I didn't do a video of last week's makeup either, of last month's makeup. So I'm just going to combine the 2 months together, and that'll hopefully give me a good amount of makeup to do a look with. And then this is a mini lip glaze. Oh, it's red. I rarely wear red, but I will definitely try this for you guys. And it's called English Rose. It's so cute and little. I like getting these things actually, the ones that look like little like makeup crayons. This brand, they're just so cute. And on the inside of this bag, I've never noticed this, I'm guessing this is the first one. It says rules are meant to be broken. Or rules were meant to be broken. Did you know that? But yeah, so this is the Ipsy bag. I got some really cool stuff in this bag. I'm super excited to try out the face brightening mask. I can do a video for you guys of like a skincare routine if you'd like. I don't regularly do it like every day, but I do it a few times a week. So not a lot, but a few times a week I will clean my face, and it's just a lot. So I can do a video of that if you guys would like to see it. It's just a lot of steps. That's the only reason I don't do it every day, because it's just too much. But yeah, I can make a video of that if you guys would like, and I can try this out in it and see if it works well or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!